Top 10 Amazon device adapters and connectors. Number 10. 1 in, 1 source, 4 outputs, 4 displays. Supports HDMI 2.0 with EDID. HDCP 2.2 compliant. Supports up to Ultra HD 4K in 30/50/60ths of a Hz, 2160p, 1080p, 3D. Works with all HDMI 1.3 and 1.4. Supports 3D and LPCM. Dolby AC3. DTS 7.1, DSD, Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio. Essentially all available audio options are supported. The heavy-duty cold metal enclosure protects the interiors and helps rapid heat absorption and dissipation, keeping the unit cool. Number 9. Enkisa Shurd Tekrers Deklaramiza Girebelmek Isen Kok Kalasioras. Echo Buds Sarge Kantasi, 2021 Sarumu, Isen USB-C Kablosunan Resmi Amazon.com Dijasimi. 3 feet Kablo Uzunlugu. USB Kaden USB Aya. Number 8. Kindle Fire. Kindle Fire HD 7 inches Ve Kindle Fire HD 8.9, Ilberlichte Gelen USB Kablosunan Resmi Amazon.com Yedigi. 5 feet Kablo Uzunlugu. Micro USB Den USB-A. Tum Kindle Tabletler Ve Okayukular Il Kuyana Myson. Number 7. Telefon Hadia Klemek Vea Sonlandirmak Isen 2 Tele Yalidim Degastirme Connectoru. Nem Durensi Isen Gel Dolgulu. Kablo TP 22-26 AWG. $50 micro Inkaltan Kaplama Korazayanu on Lerve Connector Amrunu Uzatir.
Klein Tools, a leading tool manufacturer, brings you a comprehensive professional line of voice data video tools, connectors, and testers. Klein's experts in engineering, manufacturing, and marketing have worked with Datacom professionals to innovate each product area of preparation, connection, and testing. Superior features provide accuracy, durability, and time savings. To prep wire and cable, Klein offers cutters, scissors, and strippers. Klein cutters and strippers are industry leaders, trusted by professionals worldwide. Klein's scissors are industry standard too, second to none, forged and sharpened for precision cutting and durability. The Coax radial stripper has a unique depth gauge for fast and accurate one-step stripping. Klein has precision tools and connectors with innovative features to terminate connections for Cat3, Cat5e, and Cat6 telephone and data cable, as well as RG59, 6, 6 quad, and 11 coax cable. The adjustable selection wheel on the compression crimper provides a variety of depths to easily compress any coax connector size or length. The punch-down multi-tool has a patent-pending locking switch to turn off the impact function when using the included driver bit set. Klein's comprehensive lineup of coax, telephone, and data connectors feature new innovative and professional-grade quality, built for convenience and durability. Klein's coax connectors feature a patented universal sleeve technology for incredibly quick connections to a wide variety of cable diameters and difficult multi-shielded and plenum cables, up to 5 times faster than other brands. Klein's telephone and data connectors are rigorously tested for durability and feature a professional-grade 50 micro-inch or greater gold plating on all connector contacts for maximum performance and long-lasting reliability. Klein's full line of testers check for continuity, location, and length. They identify opens and shorts in coax cable and detect miswires and split pairs in data cable. The testers feature larger digital displays and extra remote accessories to test more locations than other brands. Klein also has testers to trace wire paths and identify cables. These testers have exclusive features such as easy selection of 5 distinctive identifier tones and a power-saving auto offsetting. Remember, Klein Tools provides you a total solution for all Datacom installations. From the preparation and termination of wire and cable, to attaching coax, data, and telephone connectors and punching down cable, to testing wire and cable for continuity and locations, and wire trace and tone generation. Klein Tools.
Number 6. Enkisa Sherd Tekrar Staklaramiza Girebilmek Isen Kok Kalasioras. Fire tabletler ve USB-C uyumlu cihazlarla kuyana mysin tasarlanmıştır. Fire HD 10, 9. Nesil, ve Fire HD 8, 10. Nesil, il birlikte gelen USB-C kablosunun resmi Amazon.com diyecimi. 3 feet kablo uzunluğu, USB kaden USB A'ya. Fire HD 10 tablet, 9. Nesil, ve Fire HD 8 tablet, 10. Nesil, il uyumludur. Onski tablet nesilariil uyumlu degilder. Number 5. Fire TV Cube ve Fire TV Blaster isen bu yedek ir uzatma kablosu, kapali kapilar, dolap veya dolap gibi ulazılması zor yerlerdeki cihazları kontrol etmenizi sağlar. Fire TV Cube veya Fire TV Blaster'a bağlandığında, Goris alani disinde olsalar bil eglants cihazlarınız üzerinde Alexa yüzük alan esas kontrolünü deneyimleyin. Kullanimi kolay. Fire TV Cube veya Fire TV Blaster'daki ir bağlantı noktasına takın. Ek kurulum gerekmez. 360 derece kazilotesi kapsama. Aynı anda birden fazla cihaz arasında kontrol sağlar. 8 fitlik bir kablo, esnek yerleştirme ve av bileşenlerin arasım sağlar. Fire TV Cube ve Fire TV Blaster il uyumludur. Number 4. We don't know when or if this item will be back in stock. 1.2 meter cable is already included with initial purchase of each Blink Mini camera. Compatible with Blink Mini camera. Used to position Blink Mini farther away from standard outlet to achieve your desired viewing angle. Number 3. Bu ürünün ne zaman staklara girip görmeyeceğini bilmiyoruz. Ring alarm baz istaziwanunuzun arasamini ring alarm bileşenleriniz geneltin. Alet gerektirmeden kolay kurulum. Standart duvar prizlerin tekilir. Ring alarm baz istasyonu gerektirir ve yalnızca ring alarm system agini guklendirir. Number 2. We are working hard to be back in stock as soon as possible. Slow or weak Wi-Fi connection? Take advantage of the speed and reliability of wired internet. Easy to set up. Simply connect the Amazon Ethernet adapter into the USB port on your Fire TV and plug in an Ethernet cable directly from your router. Compatible with Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick, 2nd Gen, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, Fire TV Cube, and Amazon Fire TV, 3rd Gen, pendant design. 10/100 Ethernet. Number 1. We are working hard to be back in stock as soon as possible. Marca Amazon. Connector TP USB, Micro USB, Kablo TP USB, Burum Seishi 1 Sei, 5 feet Kablo Uzunlugu, Micro USB'den USB-A.